Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my mini happy planner vertical that I use as my everyday catch-all planner, and I will be using colorful leopard along with flowers from Flower Power. Let's get started. I'm just going to remove the post-its that I've got here as a reminder of what I have to do. I normally put post-its as a way to pre-plan, really. So I'm just thinking ahead of time, like, how am I going to do this? It'll have to be these to-do stickers or boxes. And I feel like I need to stick to a certain theme with the boxes, or go with lines, or how do I want to do this? Maybe, hold on, I've got Lucy under my desk here and I don't want to run her over. I'm thinking I'm very much about the to-do list, and I think that is what will probably work out best for me. I just want to make sure that I have enough boxes. I mean, I like that box, but I don't think it's going to work with what I'm trying to do. So it'll just have to be the mix of the today and the to-do. And actually this works really well because this goes with the color scheme that I want. So I'm going to put, let's actually start from the bottom, and I'm already thinking I should put something else there. I feel like these appointment stickers are huge. So, okay. I'm gonna just start like this and then just start putting them down. I won't try and overthink it, because I feel like once I start to overthink it, then that's when planning becomes really difficult, and I do not want that. So I know that this is going over the hole for the discs, but I can easily use my Happy Planner punch to punch through that. Okay, now I need pink, and I'm going to do it like this. Yes. And then I will add, I almost wish there were more, but I'm going to add this for Friday, blue on Saturday, and then Sunday. Sunday's gonna have to, this is the only thing with the mini, is that the Sunday sticker doesn't always properly line up, but I don't mind. So now florals. Okay, now, oh, oops. Ugh. Hold on. 6 o'clock, meet Amanda. I'm just writing this down so that I remember. 6-1. There we go. Okay. So now I can add florals, but I feel like I want to add this one, because I think this one just suits the whole color scheme really, really well. And there is room up at the top for me to add leopard. Where is it? Over here. I've got all of the sticker pages everywhere. However, this is massive, and I feel like I'm gonna have to cut it. I'm almost scared to, but I feel like this might be the best thing to do. And then this can go here. I have no rhyme or reason for how I place stickers down. I kind of put them down wherever I feel like it. Some days it works really well, other days it doesn't. But that's all part of the process. Okay. Let's just put that right there. Then you do need to add more leopard on this side. What I want to do though is maybe put a little bit on this one. Just a small one on this side. Oops. To stick out like this. Wah! Oh, I hate when I do that. Where I think I've put the sticker down and then it decides to do its own thing. It does cover the word today, but I really don't care. Then this one can go here. Or do I want to save it? Do I want to save it? Where'd it go? I'll hold on to it like this. And then I will put a big floral down in that corner so that it's even. I've got even number of florals with, what are these called? Leopard. Ugh. I'm having a day. So I'm just gonna cut that like this. Move it over a bit so that it doesn't get in the way of the holes for the discs. And then, oh my goodness, look at this mess I'm creating. Add a quote down here. Be brave and be bold. Let's go with the one that's not translucent. And I feel like the be brave, be bold is really key for me because Thursday I am going in for another biopsy because the first one was unfortunately inconclusive. So I'm gonna add, let's see, I have so many stickers stuck to my arm right now. I do need to add more florals though, because I don't feel like there are enough. I'm gonna do it like this. Yeah, I think so. I'm just gonna, I think the reason that I overthink, I say overthink, but the reason that I'm almost finding this a little bit difficult is because this is different from any type of spread that I've done before because it is leopard and floral. I've never put that combination together before and it's a little scary, but fun. It's fun trying new things. So let's see if I can put down a little strip of washi here just to add some color. And another little strip of washi here. There's something about washi that I really, really enjoy. Okay. Then, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 in terms of, and I feel like I could put something in this corner up here. Let's just make sure I am cutting it absolutely perfectly perpendicular. Okay. I enjoy that. And then see if there is something else that I could place on top of that. There's all these. So maybe let's try, the thing is, this is the translucent, so it's gonna be weird, I think. No? Yes, it is a little weird. But what do you, I'll live with it. Okay, so let's just put this one down here for future use. I don't know, I think because every list is gonna basically be a to-do list for me, along with everything else, I think this actually is gonna work out really well. yeah, so I'm gonna leave it at that, and then you guys can watch my after the pen so that you can see how I'm gonna fill this out. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.